What's up, my good people? This is a simple luggage security system. Whenever anybody tries to lift this luggage or tries to steal this luggage, both the alarm and LED will go on, therefore sending a signal that somebody has actually lifted the luggage. It's a simple luggage security system, or what you call the anti-theft, the luggage anti-theft. So a luggage anti-theft system. So it's a simple luggage security system. You can actually see I have an alarm. This is what you call an alarm. This is an LED. Then inside here I have an IC. We also have, you can see here, there is a capacitor. There's another capacitor here, and there is a transistor. So it's a very simple luggage security system. So this is how the system works. Whenever anybody lifts this luggage, the system circuit will break, and whenever the circuit is broken, both the buzzer or what you call the alarm and LED will go on, sending an alert that somebody has lifted that is the luggage. So let's do it together. I'll just hold this strap and lift the luggage, and actually you can see both the alarm and LED are on, sending a signal or a message that somebody has lifted the luggage. I'm assuming now the whole of this setup, this is actually a luggage. So, and we have now the simple system installed now into our luggage. So whenever anybody tries to lift this luggage, any unauthorized person, because any unauthorized person tries to lift this luggage, the system will actually go on. So it's a very simple security system. You can actually install it to the most valuable goods that you don't want them to be tampered by anybody. So you can actually install them. You can actually install this simple system so that whenever anybody tries to lift these goods, or they try to lift this luggage, you'll actually receive you'll actually get that is a signal that somebody has lifted the luggage. Let's do it one more time. Let's hold this, just hold this strap and lift the luggage, and you can see both the alarm and the LED are on, sending a signal that somebody has lifted that is the luggage. You can actually take this project, a very simple project. You can actually do it. It has very simple components that are readily available regardless of whichever part of the country you live in. That's all we have for today, guys. Goodbye.